Hi guys, and welcome back to another Red Sky video.
Contact! Guys, get in that room now!
Right now, our
Everyone in,
major
grab an
objective
asset now!
is to get those assets back to our CP as quickly as we can. We've received contact down from the other end of the room, and we're not sure whether they're TAF or Tech Squad. Right now, we know we have an enemy contact in front of us, but there's also another 4 ways that the enemy can breach this room. From behind us, that green door where I'm signaling to, that's one of our players. I'm trying to get him to get that asset out as quickly as we can without me having to move off this point here. To that green door on the left, there's a way in through the separate room, which is the same way as the way I'm facing.
Guys, asset on the floor! Guys, asset! We've got you covered! There's more in the room, but we're not risking it. Cover there. Anyone not necessary on Turkmeni defence out here now?
I'll go into the asset room to see if I can pull any more men out that are not essential to the negotiations. As I come to the end of this room, I catch 2 TAF unaware and manage to shoot them in the back. As I'm trying to take out a third, I do take a hit and have to go back to respawn.
Keep getting assets. We can respawn on that room, by the way. Dude, get down to the end of the room because they're breaching through there, they'll need you. a man, mate.
As I go into the other room to see if I can help our other teammates who are breaching down the other end, the camera picks up one of the TAF before my head does, and I take a hit.
Sorry. Taken.
As I go into that room, I see some legs walking towards the door and take a few shots at it, not knowing that's already a dead player, giving the TAF player the chance to pop around the door and take me out. Thankfully he did a bang kill, otherwise at that close range it would have really hurt.
No back, wait. Doorway!
Small squad on me. Right, Pete. Three guys from 24. Get
We
this
managed
shit
to
out
breach
of
into the
the
next room and gather another asset room which contains 3 larger assets which are worth more points at the end of the day. I take one and try and take it back as quickly as possible, watching that door.
Yeah? It's an asset.
Some people didn't actually take these as assets because some of the assets were a little bit
Fucking
more
tons in
silly
that
than
next
what you'd
room.
expect. So some people didn't collect assets that were there on the day. In the mission briefings on the Facebook page, it had given most of the asset parameters and what they look like,
Nailed
so
it.
we would know. One of them threw one of the asset balls at me, got me, and only then do I realise how many asset balls we do actually have towards the end of the day.
Guys,
Anyway,
in the second room we've taken the bathroom as a spawn.
achieving this objective is where I'm
What?
going to leave this for today.
We wiped them out.
I hope you
We wiped them out
enjoy,
in there. That's where we just
and
got the
next
assets
time
from.
we're going to move into the larger factory base where there's going to be a lot more contact.